In today's video, you will learn the correct way of using argan and jojoba oils to make your hair grow while reducing oiliness. Did you know you can accelerate your hair's growth? Most women dream of long, soft, shiny hair. But in truth, some of them never reach their dream length simply because their hair takes too long to grow. Does that happen to you too? Thinking about that, we decided to bring you a natural recipe with oils to help you on your hair growth mission. Now you will see how it is possible to make your hair grow super fast. With nutrients that are beneficial to hair health, argan oil is known for its uncountable benefits. After all, this mega powerful oil is recommended even for the most damaged hair. Argan oil has fatty acids and is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants that inhibit free radical action in our bodies. It is our favorite for hair hydration. Besides all these benefits, argan oil also helps with hair loss and can be used in all types of hair, especially dyed ones, which require special care. Want your hair hydrated and super shiny? Then bet on argan oil and see the results. Besides argan, jojoba oil has interesting properties for anyone wanting to have hydrated, shiny, and soft hair. Jojoba is also useful if you want to treat your scalp and stimulate hair growth. Recommended for dry, normal, and even oily hair, jojoba can be used for treating damaged hair and making your tresses softer. Since it is highly nutritious, it lubricates and restores your hair. If you want to stimulate hair growth, this oil can be your best friend. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. When applied directly over the scalp, it dissolves built-up sebum and regulates oiliness, reducing flaking and thus dandruff. This cleansing liberates the hair roots, helping hair grow. Isn't it incredible? Let's see now how to combine both oils and take care of your hair at home. Write down the ingredients. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 3 drops jojoba oil, 1 drop of argan oil. Extract the aloe gel from the leaf and leave it soaking in a water glass for 10 minutes. This process eliminates aloin, a toxic substance that can irritate the scalp and skin. How to make and use it. Thoroughly mix the aloe gel with both oils and apply it over your hair. Apply over the length of your locks and in the scalp, gently massaging it. Leave it to act for 30 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. You can also sleep with the mixture on your hair and wash it in the morning. Easy and simple to do, isn't it? Try it and share your opinion with us. If you have used argan or jojoba oil on your hair before, tell us in the comments below why you used them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.